Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the topic more on MS PowerPoint 2010. MS PowerPoint is a very useful software application which is used to create electronic presentations. A presentation is made up of several slides. Next is applying themes. A theme is a set of predefined layouts that can be used to add a professional touch to your presentations. Choosing a theme. You can change the theme in the presentation by following the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Design tab. Step 2. Place your mouse pointer over any of the theme. Step 3. The design is reflected immediately on your slide. Step 4. Click the design theme thumbnail when you find one that suits your needs. The selected theme will be applied to your presentation. Next is changing theme color schemes. You can change color of the theme from the one that is currently applied. To do this, step 1. Click on the colors command at the right end of the themes group on the design tab of the ribbon. Step 2. Place your mouse pointer over the various color schemes shown in the drop-down list. The current choice will be reflected on the slide. Step 3. Click the mouse when you find the right color scheme. Next is changing theme fonts. Step 1. Click on the Fonts command at the right end of the Themes group in the Design tab of the ribbon. Step 2. Place your mouse pointer over any of the font families to see how this group of fonts will look in your presentation. Step 3. Click the mouse when you have found suitable font family. This font family will be applied to your presentation. Next is changing theme backgrounds. You can customize the background of individual slides by changing the color and adding shading, texture or patterns. Step 1. Click the background style command in the background group on the design tab of the ribbon. Step 2. Place your mouse pointer over any of the background styles. Step 3. The background style will be reflected on the slide for you to evaluate. Step 4. Click when you find a background style that you like. Next is adding sound. You can also add audio files in your presentation. This audio file can be as background music or explaining your point in a slide. To add sound to the presentation, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Audio command on the Insert tab on the ribbon to open Insert Audio dialog box. Step 2. Navigate and select the audio file to be inserted and click on Insert button. Step 3. This will insert a speaker icon on the slide. Step 4. Click on Forward button to preview audio. You can also add your own voice as a narration or commentary to the topic of presentation. To do this, a microphone is needed to be attached to the computer. Once the microphone is attached, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the drop-down arrow below the audio icon on the Insert tab of the ribbon. Step 2. Select Record Audio option to open Record Sound dialog box. Step 3. Click on Record button to start recording your voice. Step 4. Click on Stop button to stop recording. Step 5. Click on OK button to insert the audio on the slide. Next is adding video. You can add video files also in your presentation. This video file can be played at a particular time while running a slideshow. to add video to the presentation. Step 1. Click on Video command on the Insert tab on the ribbon to open Insert Video dialog box. Step 2. Navigate and select the video file to be inserted and click on Insert button. Step 3. This will insert the video along with the play control bar at the bottom of the clip. Step 4. Click on Forward button to preview the video. Next is slide transition. Transition determines how your presentation moves from one slide to the next. You can add transition by the given steps. Step 1. Choose a slide. Step 2. Click on the Transitions tab of the ribbon to access the slide transition options. Step 3. Click on More button to see the complete list of transitions available or scroll through the list one row at a time. There are several options that you can choose to add to your PowerPoint 2010 slides. Sound and its durations. Whether to apply it to slide only or apply to all slides. Moving to next slide on mouse click automatically after a set number of seconds. Sound effects can be effective if applied wisely to PowerPoint slide transitions. Next is custom animation. Animations can be used in PowerPoint to make a presentation more interesting. Animation helps in giving a moving effect to the text and other objects on a slide. To apply animation to text or objects, follow the following steps. Step 1. Click on the image or the text you would like to animate. Step 2. To select a whole text box, click on the border of the text box. It will automatically send in the text by paragraphs unless you highlight all the text in the box. Step 3. Click Animations tab. Step 4. You can either open the animation pane or use the drop down list. Step 5. Select the animation effect you would like. Step 6. Specify whether you want your animation to start on mouse click after previous or with previous. Step 7. You can preview the effect of animation by selecting Preview command from Animations tab or Play button in Animation pane. Next is reordering the animations. To reorder animation of different objects, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the number of the effect you want to change. Step 2. From the Animations tab, click the Move Earlier or Move Later commands to change the ordering. Running a slideshow. The slideshow tab will let you set up your show will progress. To preview, click the slideshow tab. Select either from beginning or from current slide. Thanks.